All right, welcome back, everybody. We're jumping into the new patch BBE. I want to do 1 or 2 games on it today, get a little bit of experience on it, see what it's about. I'm sure there's gonna be a lot of people pushing some metas. These guys have been probably playing this for quite a few days now, where I'm just jumping on it 2 days before the patch. Starting off with the trainer golems. Oh, I don't like this at all. Yeah, I don't like this one bit. Vanguard. What's that, Hunter? Okay, so I really want to push the Honeymancer. So Honeymancer, 50% damage dealt, 10% of damage taken, bees deal damage twice as often. That's what I want to play. What everyone else get? The dummies, frost, bees. That's gonna be good. Mage. I don't know. I try to play the bees anyway. I am a bee fanatic, guys.
I got this.
Bring you on for the van. This, like this. Deal with that. That's my whole point of jump on BB, is I want to try the bees. I am such a fan of bees. Oh, we get 5 bees off the get-go now? I managed to get 5 bees to deal magic damage to a target every 3 seconds.
What do you mean this doesn't look safe?
Scaling bonus. Stars Born, pumping up Witchy Wallop. Combat Caster, Warrior Crest. Didn't you warriors get buffed as well, though? That's a hunter. I don't need a warrior. Here goes Stars Born. We're going to push for this. Grab you. Level. Roll. Roll. Where's Nunu? Don't do this to me. Big sad. That's kind of an aggressive roll down. I kind of regret that. It's whatever, though. It's got the 2 hunters, the 2 vanguards. Gonna ditch the multi-striker aspect. I want to see how well my bees perform, man. That's all I care about this game. I've been hard forcing this con, man. Hard forcing. Dun, 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 dun. That was an aggressive roll down. I should have leveled up yet either. Just ran it, been broke, enjoyed it. That's right, I can still get a bash in too. Mr. Nunu, there you are.
The magic calls to me.
The magic calls to me. That's terrible. That's it, guys. That's the Honeymancer 4 right out the gate. Everyone's 2-star, but Twitch. Or come on, Twitch. Where am I? Who are you? Yeah. So I want to see what it was before. We're gonna go to patch 14.18 TFT notes. Okay, we're gonna go to this page. Ash. Syndra, Control Champions. I don't like this tactor site. I don't like how they format that. That's not good to the eyes. What are Dot Sports? Dot Sports? No, it doesn't show what it was before. Just gonna go to Mort Dog. Give me a second here. Gotta mute this.
No matter what.
Let me mute.
Enemies.
Hey everybody!
Hello. Yay. Item removers, systems, other. The traits, there we go. The traits, fairy. It's not the one I care about. Honeymancer. Now always grants 5 bees no matter what, past 2 on death. That's okay, that's huge. Doesn't show what it was before though. Interesting. I don't know, we'll make it work. I don't know why, but they feel extremely strong right now. Here's my Vigar, which I'll never get. That tier on Tristana is what I really want. If you play Honeymancy without like a blue buff on Tristana, it just feels terrible. Or on Ziggs, it feels terrible. Adam, what are you playing? You're starting to grab that. I'll take it. Put me in, coach. I'm ready. If I level up now, I lose my... I'll just play with 5 Bs. Lose my chances, but that's okay. We'll stay at level 5 as long as we can. I still have a 45% chance at my units. Probably give you this. Not super sold on that, but beats nothing. And then... So now we get the 5 Honeymancers. 10% damage dealt, 5% damage taken. Let's see how much damage the bees do here. Oh, it doesn't actually track that. Let's have a lot of bees there. Yeah, I can already tell I'm gonna love this.
This doesn't look safe.
Stay at level 5 as long as I can, guys. Get all these units 3-star and then just move on out. I think that's definitely one of these units, obviously. Ziggs. I need some items. Ziggs feels lonely. See what everyone else is playing. Eldritch. Eldritch is gonna be a lot more fun now too. So Honeymancer player, you can go for Honeymancer. LDP. Back to their lobbies now. Trumplebee. He's got so many bees on him so early, man. This is like cracked. That Blitz gets 3-starred with the Warmogs +1. Psh, laughable. Turn that off. I want to see if they give me 2 tanky. Because I could do my only bees. I've talked about it in numerous videos. Which is a solid team comp. Bum 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 bum. These are terrible items, man. And I did want that for you, so it works. This time, like, this is like, ugh. Okay, let's do this. Why are you not in here? X explosion.
Playtime's never over.
Chill there for a while. Bum 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 bum. Please give me 2 tanky. I want to show how this comp, like, I played 2 tanky in the current patch and it's busted. Honeymancer's too tanky, so much fun.
Let's start the show.
Dun, 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 dun. And with this new idea, like my whole idea was I want to play this because I knew that Honeymancer was gonna be solid in this next patch.
All right, hit the showers. Your next match is coming up soon.
Bum, 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 bum. Blossom and Lotus, no. Row Rejuvenation, no. Inspired Neptune, no. Unified Resistance, no. Ascension, no. Yes! Yes! Guys, it is about to happen.
Playtime's never over.
I'm gonna call this team comp the Beehive. It's gonna be nuts. Now I just need to hit all these units. And 2 cold trust, 1 health. No, I'm at like 100 spirit now. I don't want to give up any HP. I mean, I should give you an item, but we'll just leave that for now in case I get a reforger. Dun, 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 dun. Man, I'm so pumped to hit that. I knew it was going to be amazing. So if you played this, you'd actually have to play... If you did the 7 Bs, you'd have to play in like a Vanguard and a Bastion, so you'd want these two. And get them both Honeymancer crested, right? You want these two with Honeymancer crest if you do it for 7. But the way I'm trying to play it is just strictly these 5 units with my duplicate copies in the front as tanks. No, 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 no. So I need Ziggs, I need Blitzcrank. Let's roll a little bit. Don't want 3 cost. Helps a bit, I guess. Let's just give you that. I think this Blitzcrank. Need him completed. My items are kind of bad too. Dun, 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 dun. Nice. And if I get like Beast Friends as my last augment, that'd be crazy good.
What do you mean?
Our team is down, but they are
Dun, 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 dun. It's not hitting these units. Someone else playing Blitz? Maybe the Vanguard player. Oh yeah, there's the frying pan. Neat. That's all the non-craftables. Very cool. I don't really care too much about that though. I just want the items. All 3 flying pans were just jacked. What? You guys are grieving me. Who goes for a belt? That's wild. Yeah, I'm gonna roll a bit here.
Don't worry, I got this.
Hold on to you for now. I might actually play you. You're gonna be in this corner. Chill there. After the level 8 though, I did just spend a lot of money. I was on a pretty healthy spree though. I don't feel too bad about it. I'm gonna have to play a second Bledsoe before this gets out of control. Dun, 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 dun. So I got my Ziggs. I just need to blitz so I can level up. Probably can level up now. Let's just see how many blitzes are out there.
The magic calls to
Let's just
me.
put you out. Let's be safe. So because the idea I think is so good about this team comp is they all have Bs, right? When they die, they pass their Bs onto another unit. So you play 2 tanky, you get let's do it like this actually. You play 2 tanky and you play 2 Nunus and 2 blitzes up front, and they'll pass Bs. Their dummies will pass Bs to the stronger units. You have to have them 3-starred though, so you want your 3-stars obviously the ones holding the items, and then your regulars just to be the first ones to get killed. So they'll pass those Bs over to your bigger tanks. It's actually a very cracked strategy. I came with up in patch 14.17, and it scales like so well. Now it calls bad boy the Beehive. Definitely need some Ziggs items though. This feels super sad. So I think I'm gonna play 2 Nunus if I can get, because Nunu's almost 3-stars as well. So we're gonna play 2 Nunus, and if I can get to level 8, I'd play the extra Ziggs. I have sold them in the past though. Like if I get like my extra copy, if I get like another like Beehive crest, I'd put a unit out instead to strengthen my team. Because technically they're still a B. There's my tier. Good news, everybody. Yeah, let's sell you. There it is. Okay, so we want you to be like this. Let me do that. I want these shields coming to my blitzcrank. Take that on. Let's sell you. Okay. Hold on to my money for now. This comp is so weird, man. It's so good. LDP is interesting. That's really interesting. I don't know if I've ever actually played that. I like this though. CTD is actually not bad. We're not playing in that. We're gonna take Martyr. Gonna grab the bow and anvil. This on you. Come on. So we're gonna sell him because I'm never gonna play 2 versions of Kog'Maw. So I'll sell him, just get some money back. The Steam comp plays itself, man. It's so good. It performs way. It took me a little while to master it, and like, because there's no like guide showing you like what augments to pick and things like that, right? So I have to really play around with it and be like, okay, what's my strongest position? What items do I build? Things like that. And then once I found that out, like this comp just plays itself, man.
What do you mean this doesn't look safe?
Honestly, Beast Friends would have been overpowered if I hit that. There we go. Alright, so we need to get you out. And we just coast. So I want these 2 tanks to die first, ideally. They'll be passing on their shields to their duplicates in the back, which have way more power. Next unit play will be my duplicate Ziggs. If I had like a B emblem, so say like you get a B crest, I'd be either like playing Chrono for the double Encanter. Or like you could do the Bastion and stuff. I don't really want to add more frontline though. If I were to like, get B emblems, I'd probably play more backline. Because these two Nunus and this Blitzcrank will just hold down the beginning. It's stupid how strong it is frontline. Like, you're unkillable in the frontline. I didn't want to share this comp with people early, but I did want to put it out for the people that like my videos. But this comp is under the radar. No one's playing it but me. I looked on YouTube, make sure I was the only one that crafted this, you know. Did it 2 weeks ago. I've been playing around with it ever since. Anytime I get too tanky, I force this comp. Boom, 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 boom. So I need Ziggs. We really just need like items for this freaking for you. So I need a belt or that AP. I'm gonna lose all this stuff here. Don't take them. Come on, don't do it to me. You guys get. I'm being trolled. Really want to finish off this freaking Warmogs on Blitzcrank, but that's okay. Huh. Let's take this off for now. This doesn't really help me at all. You have no, yeah, you have nothing for Bloodthirster. You like that you have an additional burn even though I'm running Sunfire. But in the weird event that Blitzcrank dies, this Cobma could be the one to hold me in there. Oh, me and Hef. That was the guy on a win streak in second, guys.
More matches are coming.
And I made mincemeat. Sell you. Don't really like these last two items. Pandora's have been pretty OP. You can play Ziggs in the corner, but then he's only angling the one corner. It's nice to play him here because if they get hung up on tanks, he can hit the unit that carries in the back corner. So I don't mind playing him in the middle. That's not my idea. That's something I looked up online. Saw a different position for him. Because I play like Honeymancer so much in set for patch 14.17, I want to like really optimize how I was playing my Ziggs. It's nuts, guys. It is nuts. So I'm going to play the extra Ziggs. I don't have enough items to itemize everybody. I just really want to get this Blitzcrank with the Warmogs. He becomes a beast. Not ideal. There we go. So Zig's gonna have to pick up all these things off leftover carousels and Eldritch. We're gonna just give this to you for something. We're gonna hook you up with this because it's something. I don't want to jump to the back line, that's silly. 3 temporary Thieves' Gloves? Yes, please. All right, let's cook. This is so dumb with Martyr as well. Because when my decoys I send out to die first die, they heal so much to my... This is dumb, man. This comp is wild. Bum, 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 bum. Normally I don't play Kog'Maw as my carry. I really like Ziggs being the main carry. Ziggs does massive damage. It's like blue buff, like blue buff death cap +1. Depending on the team comps I play, I'll either roll between Arc Staff or Nash's Tooth. Those are what I like to play on Ziggs. If you play this actual comp with Ziggs, so if you played this comp here, this is what I've been playing in set 14.17 right now. You play you, and you. And ideally you get like, this is if you get Mana Zane for your Ziggs, but you still play a Ziggs carry. But you play these 3 units as well. And this is performing pretty good. I have a good record with that, if I don't hit too tanky. If I hit too tanky, I just build this. Very consistent. So really only need the 3-star now is Ziggs, or sorry, anything defensive you definitely want. I need the 3-star Vigar. I think someone else was playing him though, wasn't it? Yeah, you're playing him. I might start falling off now. Bam, 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 bam. I should have actually kept that Kog'Maw secondary since I wasn't going to be 3-starring Vigar.
Let the chaos commence!
F. What do you got for me, bud?
Well, they may be down, but they're not out!
If he actually hits that Vigar 3, I'm in trouble. Boom, boom. I really want another hunter. Would probably be Spear Shojin or Adaptive Helm. Probably lean to Spear Shojin. Yeah, I guess it's Adaptive Helm. Guess not. I guess we're gonna go Adaptive Helm Ziggs. I can honestly say I don't think I built that one yet. $68 to level. Am I really feeling that? No, I don't really think I need to do that. I'm gonna have it this Blitzcrank build. We'll be fighting you. Put both you guys here. Block you, so you have to walk around the long way so they die first. You're fine there. Wow. Guy didn't even phase me. Well, 55 so I can play as Vigar. 68. Guess I'm just chilling. Same thing with you. You're kind of scary, so I actually want to... I need to pull you. You're Fairy 9. This actually will probably kill me. Maybe. It's all position at this point. I just can't let that Katarina gap me. Yeah, their Fairy 9's actually busted right now. Because you get 2 of the items. I don't know if Blitzcrank can hold it down. That's crazy. That's wild, man. Because you get like 2 of the artifacts now, right? That's awesome. That's going to be a really strong team comp. I think anyone's going to be hitting Fairy 9 this game, that's for sure. So you get like, now you don't get the 1. You actually get 2. Wait, I thought you were supposed to have a second one. Yeah, they did 3, 4. Queen's Crown, Queen's Guard. Get a second crown. I only see 1 crown though. 1 crown. Oh, you're wearing the crown. You got both. That's wild. See, yeah, you get 2 Queen's Crowns. That's nuts, guys. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Okay. Don't really want that item on you. Is this like this guy get mage 10? Shapeshifter 8? Oh, okay. I don't think I lose the Shapeshifter 8. That other guy's gonna stomp me though. So yeah, with this, you guys want Beast Friends would have been crazy. I might even have actually won that last round if I was playing Beast Friends. And then any sort of Honeymancy crest you can get, so you don't have to play your secondaries. And your secondaries, I mean like the backline, the Ziggs and the other Vigar. You can get around not having to play that, you're set. With this person playing Katarina though, I don't think I win because she just seems to jump right to the back line and absolutely delete my units. And since I'm hard forcing just this comp, it's no good. It's got bad news written all over it. I don't win this. Fairy 9 versus just 5 Honeymancers. It's not even the same ballpark. And there's way too much healing because you have 2 of these Crowns guards now, and they're both radiant. Like Blitzcrank is obviously a beast, but the beasts just don't do enough damage. I just gotta keep playing this guy, eh? Try to get Ziggs another carry item. It's insane to try to beat Fairy 9 at this comp, guys. If it wasn't for Katarina, I think I'd win. This Katarina is an absolute savage. It's such a good build. That is so wild, man. I want to see her damage. Katarina, man. Holy moly. Get nothing for my actual Ziggs. Bum, 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 bum. I need to just get rid of this. It's not doing me any favors. I'm gonna put you up front as well. I think we just got to get back to the basics here. Like, this is a nightmare. Dude, that Katarina's disgusting. It's not even 3-star. That's the scary part. Getting close. I just gotta get like... I just gotta get something amazing for this freaking... This might help. I get something amazing for this, for the Ziggs. Just do some explosive damage. I need a lot of Vigars. It's just, I haven't been hitting. Yes, I could be playing stronger units, I know, guys. But I'm just showing you the concept behind playing it as is. Can't believe all that roll down to get a single Vigar. Yeah, I know I could be playing like an Incanter and bringing out that Karma, and I could probably do a lot better right now. I'm not doing that. I'm just playing this specific comp the way I like to play it. This comp is wild. That's off this player, man. Did a very good job. 19k consistent. I'm keeping up both our graphs. Just want to monitor her. I'm gonna roll till after this. Better give me some AP here, man. I need some explosive. I need a death cap. Is what I really need.
What do you mean it doesn't look safe?
All right. Immune to crowd control? I don't think that guy really has a lot of crowd control. Oh my gosh, dudes. Really? Okay, let's take this then. What we're going to do is we're actually going to compress you guys. You're probably going to stay there. You guys are all going to be hugging up in here. We're going to have you in that corner. So we're going to have it like this. There's secondary there. Try to roll for this Vigar. So many good units, man. Where's the, like, did they stop building Vigar after you hit a certain level or what? Oh no! You moved. Bad news for me. That's so good, man. I really like this build. Oh, there we go. Yes. Game saved. I finally got my second Vigar. Probably should have played for combat augment. Okay, though. That's okay. God, this is just insane. My Blitzcrank did his best, man. This guy's consistently taking 20k damage a fight. Anyways, guys, like and subscribe for more content like this. That's the Beehive. Easy peasy. It'll be fun to play in the next set. Try it out, and I'll see you there. Peace.